When she found a post in then she messaged me right away and she was proud. She was crying. She sent a video crying kasi she knows she gets wrong to this day. But you know, that's life, so we all understand naman. Just thankful for her. My best friend is very supportive. She's flying to Dubai, but she was there to make sure na I could feel her support. Yun po.
Whatever or wherever are the good parts in my life, gusto ko na makita din yun ni Rain. So wherever she is happy, however she is, dun din ako magsusuporta para sa kanya.
Having Kai by my side, it was nice po kasi there are times na parang gulong-gulo ako ba. Nahihirapan ako, like, I don't know how to understand my feelings na hindi ko na maintindihan bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. So having Kai po by my side is malaki pong help. Kasi help niya pa akong understand yung situation. Ganun.